In this walkthrough, I'll show you how the new MFA feature works in Followup CRM and how to enable it. There are two ways to turn on MFA. The first option is company-wide enforcement for all users, and the second is user-level enablement for an individual account. I'll begin with company-wide enforcement. If you're the account owner, go to Company Settings and open the Security tab. There you'll see an option to require email verification for all users. When this is enabled, users who sign in with standard login methods will be required to complete MFA at sign-in. Users who sign in with Google or Microsoft are already covered through that sign-in flow. There is also a grace period after activation, roughly 30 days, to give users time to complete setup before strict enforcement begins. Next, I'll show you the user-level setup. Go to My Settings, then Security. Under Two-Factor Authorization, enable Email Me a Code at Login, then save the setting. This enables MFA for your account even if company-wide enforcement is not turned on. Now let's look at the login experience. Sign in as usual, including passkey if you use one. After primary sign-in, the MFA verification screen appears. Followup CRM sends a 6-digit code to your login email. Open the email, copy the code, return to the verification screen, paste it in, and click Verify. Once the code is verified, login is complete. That's the full MFA workflow. Company owners can enforce it across the account, and individual users can enable it for themselves from My Settings. The additional sign-in step is quick and adds an important layer of protection for account access.